Hello Coffeeholics, welcome back. Today it is going to be another set of signature drinks by Chao. This time they are going to be coffee drinks. If you haven't yet seen my video tutorial on how to make signature chocolate drinks, do check the video link above. Before we start, I would like to say that we now have a new design for our double shot glass. It is now in white. So if you have been helped by this channel in any way, do get yourself one of these. For my coffee beans today, I am going to use my house blend. This is 100% Arabica single origin from northern Thailand, courtesy of Arabia Coffee Roasters. And for the recipes, I'm going to make them in 16 ounces cups. Starting with the first drink, get the blender, and we're going to make our raspberry and chocolate Frappuccino. 1 cup of crushed ice, easier to blend. Milk. And for the sweetener, I am going to use sugar syrup. And because this is a Frappuccino, I am going to add my Frappe Base. So this is just to make the drink blend well together and also enhance the taste. And of course, our espresso shots. For espresso shots, they will be hot when they are freshly brewed. So if you can use cooled down espresso, that would be better. Okay, so into my blender there, 2 shots of espresso, and that really is it. Into the blender. Sorry guys, take 2. I forgot to put my chocolate in my raspberry and chocolate Frappuccino. So you don't forget that you have to add 1 tablespoon of chocolate there. Okay, and it's not too late. I can still blend it. Time to assemble our drink. I'm going to make it layered, and I'm going to put the raspberry at the bottom. I'm going to use my frozen raspberry puree here. I'm just going to put about 2 scoops, or this would be equivalent to 30 to 45 grams of frozen raspberry puree. You don't have to use frozen raspberry. You can also use just simple raspberry, or you can also use strawberry or blueberry, whatever flavor you have available. And then just to put a little bit of whipped cream here, just to ensure there will be a separation. Chocolate chips on top, and cherry. It's almost like Black Forest, except it's better. It's with coffee. Our next signature drink is Coconut Intense Frappuccino. For this, I am going to use syrups and purees. So coconut syrup, local brand, and coconut puree, local brand. We are going to make it really, really coconut intense. This is a very strong coffee. It's only 45 milliliters from 18 grams. So the reason why I'm using less water is because it dissolves very quickly with my ice. 1 cup of ice, 1 tablespoon of the Frappe Base, milk, and this time I'm going to put the syrup with my blend because this is the sweetener for the top, and then my 1.5 or 45 milliliters of espresso, strong enough for this whole drink. And pop this into the blender. We are going to put the puree at the bottom of the cup. This is to create that separation there around the sides. If your cup is not overflowing, that is perfectly fine. You don't have to let it overflow and then it becomes tasteless. Just the right amount there. It is a perfect combination, I must say. It is not your usual Frappuccino because it's a different blend here, but I can guarantee this is a special treat that everyone must try. Whenever you can, Coconut Intense Frappuccino. 1 more to go. It is going to be vanilla matcha latte. For my ingredients, I'm going to use vanilla, local brand. I'm going to use my blend of pure matcha, and then we are going to brew our coffee. So when making Frappuccino, pull your espresso shots and then prepare your other ingredients so that the espresso shots will be a little bit cooler by the time you start making your drinks. Okay, so I'm only pulling 45 milliliters of espresso shots here, very, very strong. For my matcha sauce, I do have a matcha sauce, a ready-made matcha sauce here, but for this purpose, I would like to make it my own, so I'm going to use my recipe, which is half condensed milk, about 15 milliliters, and then 15 milliliters of evaporated milk. And then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of my pure matcha. You can make a large batch of this matcha sauce, and then you can just pour it into your cups each time you want to make this delicious vanilla matcha frappuccino. I always get a hot water handy to rinse my matcha whisk before I put it back on the stand. Now to make our frappuccino blend, 1 cup of ice, milk, and I'm using my vanilla here. This is going to be the sweetener for the blend. Our restrainer shot, 45 milliliters, the Frappe Base, and into the blender. At the bottom, our matcha sauce, whipped cream along the sides, strong coffee, and not very sweet because we only put half an ounce of the vanilla syrup there. I think without the matcha it tastes good enough, not sweet at all, it's perfect. And then now let us combine the matcha with our coffee. Absolutely delicious signature blends, and I would like you to give them a try at home for your friends and family. And for those that are offering this as premium drinks, then please do give them a try and let me know how they go for you. The recipes today are all premium, but you can also make budget-friendly versions of these recipes. You can also use instant coffee, you can use a different type of milk, you can use a different type of, say, matcha sauce, and so you can recreate these drinks not only using espresso shots, but you may also use instant coffee, regular brewed coffee using French press or mocha pot. So that's all I have today. I hope that you enjoyed watching me make all these delicious treats as much as I enjoyed trying them, because they're absolutely delicious. If you have any questions, do let me know, comment below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share the love. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.